Hey friends, so I had someone ask in the comments how to put this back together if your grip isn't strong enough to push that down. So you can take some needle nose pliers and just kind of get some tape or whatever and wrap it the sticky side out. So sticky side out here, and then just kind of hold that in place. And this is just going to create a little kind of a sticky area for that, so it's not going to slip on your thing. You kind of twist that around on there and make sure it's like going to stay on there pretty good. And then get another piece of tape. Pretty much just do the same thing there. You can even just like start with it on like the sticky part there, and then turn it over so the sticky part's on the outside, and then kind of wrap that around there. Okay, and there we go. That should keep it from slipping. Now you want to take your pliers here and make sure that this part is like that. So you want, after you get this part in there. Okay, I don't think it really matters which way the whole thing is facing, so push that in there. And then you want to just kind of squeeze that together. Oops. For these particular ones, it does matter though. I want that notch right here, I want that to be facing down like that way. Okay, then we pinch it together. And slide that right under there if we can. And we can. So that was just pinch it together and then slide it up underneath there. So just like that. And not the easiest thing to do, actually. So doesn't have a lot of room there. The bigger ones were a little easier. These small ones were quite a bit more difficult. So I could see how someone might struggle with that. But yeah, try to make sure that the notch is faced to the slope, and then try to pinch it. If you try to have the notch at the front, it's a little bit harder to get that in there because there's not really a gap there. So I hope this is helpful. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.